You're right guys, RC Addict. 2 videos ago I did a video about how Analogue pilots could still fly with DJI, and I did a step-by-step on what I did and what they did, and I proved to you that it was crystal clear Analogue quality.
Alright geezer.
My channel isn't just about like drones, it's about mental health as well, and my kind of journey of my life, you know, 26 years a drug addict, 8 years kind of sitting in silence, doing a lot of crying, doing a lot of thinking, finding myself. And I've had so many people come out, yeah, and I thank you, you know, for sharing the same things, that basically when they found this hobby, FPV, and put them goggles on, it stops their overthinking and it stops mine. It gives you structure because you're always busy or crashing or learning on the sim or looking through catalogues or whatever, yeah. It's just it's a lifestyle. Anyway, there's a geezer out there, right, and he follows me and he comments on every video, and this guy wishes he had a drone, yeah.
Gratitude.
Anyway, this is dedicated to you, yeah. You know who you are, and I wish you could get flying. I wish I was over there because I would help you as much as I could, you know. I'm not, you know, that's why I don't have a backdrop of drones and all this, you know, but maybe someone, I noticed that someone, I'll put the name up here, replied to you, and that is amazing. You know, it's just carrying the message. It's just like AANA, it's carrying the message, right, that we can recover, and that is why drones saved my life, hashtag. Alright, RC Addict, watch this video, it's constant flow. Alright, take care, RC Addict.
People always think they got you figured out. Silence is a damn mirror, and people hate what they see when they're forced to look at themselves.
No one knows what I go through in silence. Everyone thinks I'm perfectly fine, while I just keep my head up and keep smiling. No one knows that I'm living a lie.
People, the silent warriors, the quiet ones, they are the most dangerous, not because they shout the loudest or fight the hardest, but because they observe, they see the things others miss, they are patient, cunning, and they wait for the right moment. You think they are shy? Number. They choose their words carefully. You think they're weak? No, their strength is hidden. And when it's unleashed, it changes everything. Quiet people don't waste their breath on meaningless noise. They save it for the people who matter. The battles that count, they're loyal, fiercely loyal. But cross them and you'll see a fire burn hotter than you can handle. They carry pain inside, yet you'll never know it. They don't trust easily, but once they do, you'll witness their true wildness, full of life, full of power.
Smiling. No one knows that I'm living a lie.
People like to fill the air with their empty words because they're afraid of the quiet. In the quiet, there's truth. And people are terrified of truth. The truth makes them uncomfortable, makes them feel exposed, naked. They'll do anything to avoid it, even lie to themselves. They'll feed you sweet little nothings, pat your back, smile to your face. But inside they're scared. Inside they're scared.
No one knows.